Well, it's time to sharpen your rusty networking skills. Hi, my name's Will Kintish, and I'm really looking forward to working with you in November just for 1 hour to make sure that you know how to work that room with confidence, how to get in and out of groups, how to park and dump people when they're boring or rude, how to ask all the right questions, the icebreaker question and the small talk questions and the business questions. And then just as importantly, how to spot the aha moment, how to follow up, having spotted that potential aha moment or light bulb moment or eureka moment, how to follow up in a professional and confident way without upsetting anybody. I've been doing this training and presentation at conferences for over 20 years now, so I'd like to hope I know a little bit about networking. Look forward to seeing you on the day. Bye now.